Hi all, welcome to Autism Victories. Today I'll be sharing some information about how to make materials and adapted books. To make, we need velcros, gum, tape, scissors, punch machine, A4 size sheets, and laminating sheets. You may also need binding springs and cover paper to bind. If you want to make this type of adapted book, or you can use ring binder to hold sheets. Printer, I'm using Epson printer, and this is a laminator. All these materials are easily available in Amazon. Pictures you can get from cut and paste books. Stickers, from old books, or from Google Images, collage and take the print. Cut the pictures. Stick them on A4 sheet. As per your idea of presenting the sheets to the child. And then you laminate the sheet. Make cards using tape and velcros. Stick velcros on laminated sheets to hold cards. Bind all sheets together or put them in a file folder as mentioned earlier. Hope the video is helpful. Thanks for watching.